In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable extensions from other stores in Microsoft Edge. This is a handy trick to know if you're looking to broaden the variety of extensions available to you, making your browsing experience even more tailored and enriched. To get started on this journey, you'll want to open up your Microsoft Edge browser. If you're not sure how, look for the distinctive blue E icon with a swirl, which should be easy to find on your desktop or in your applications list. Once you've clicked that, the browser will open up to your home page or last visited site. At this point, direct your attention to the top right corner of your browser window. You'll notice a series of three small dots stacked vertically. This is your gateway to customizing Microsoft Edge, so go ahead and give them a click. A drop-down menu will appear, showcasing several options for you to choose from. But for now, we're interested in the Settings option. That's where all the magic happens. Once you've entered the Settings menu, take a look over at the list on the left side of your screen. Here, you'll find a variety of categories that you can explore, but today, we're honing in on extensions. Click on this once and watch as the main area of your screen shifts to display everything related to managing and configuring extensions. Now that we're in the Extensions menu, there's one more task before we can begin exploring extensions from other stores. Again, focus your attention on the left side of your screen. You should see an option that says, Allow extensions from other stores. This setting is crucial because it determines whether or not you're able to access a wider array of extensions outside of the Microsoft Edge add-on store, which can greatly enhance the functionality of your browser. Next to this option, you'll see a toggle switch. Depending on your current settings, it might appear blue or gray. If it's gray, that means it's currently disabled. So, what you need to do is simply click on the toggle to switch it to blue. This small action is all it takes to enable the option, opening up a new world of possibilities for your browsing experience. Let's say, once that toggle is flipped, you're all set. Now, you can explore a wider variety of extensions on platforms like the Chrome Web Store and integrate them seamlessly into your Edge browser. This newfound freedom allows you to customize your browsing experience more precisely and enjoy additional tools and features that you previously couldn't access. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching and enjoy exploring the expanded universe of extensions now available to you in Microsoft